Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and it's a new year, which means it's time for a new PhotoForge. Today we're in the frozen tundra of Kuna, Idaho. And my little sister has agreed to model for me, and she's brought a special friend. We're doing a Western style shoot with some surrealist elements. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, that's it. I think we got it. Let's head to the editing bay.
To start the edit of this photo, I bring my subject layer cutout onto my base layer. I merge the layers into one, duplicate, and begin removing the fence with the Content Aware tool. To use the Content Aware tool, grab any shape from your cut tool, highlight the area you want to remove, and press Shift and Delete at the same time. This will bring up the tool, make sure it's on Content Aware, and begin removing whatever you don't find necessary. Once that is completed, we will duplicate the layer and add a blur to the image. Erase the subjects from the blurred layer so they are in focus. Next, we will lower the opacity of the blurred layer below 60%. Following that, we will create another layer from our focus layer. Cut out the trees using the quick selection tool and place them at the top of all the current layers. This will make the trees a bit more in focus and will help for placing our monster deer behind them. Placing the deer behind the trees, which will be available for download in the description. Lower the opacity of the deer and create a new layer and paint over him with a cloud paintbrush to create the look that he is behind fog. After that, we'll use our snow PNG image, also available for download. To remove the black background, switch the layer type to screen or lighten. To begin coloring, I start with a black and white layer and lower the opacity below 25%. Then I use several selective color layers to achieve my desired look and feel of the image. I do a few more color touch-ups, and then we're done.
Well, that does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you use me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, use the link in the video description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.